Okay. Why would I do that?
Huh?
Why would I do that?
Enabled, I got falsely tased by the police.
Oh, well, you met a good cop today, so
That was good.
what's going on today?
I have enough evidence to show. Hey, come into this hot shot.
We're gonna talk right here.
I was just fired.
I'm sorry about that.
No. I'm actually not fired. I'm actually letting Bobby go.
Well, you were let go. He was let go, correct? Okay. All right. Does he need to leave?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have stuff you need to grab and get going?
Why?
Because you're fired. That's why they called me here. They said that you're.
This is illegal, though.
Okay. Well, that's something that you can try to civilly sue them for. Okay. But right now they're letting you go, so they want you off the premises. And I'm just here to make sure everything stays peaceful.
Everything is peaceful, officer.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, let's get your stuff and get you on your way.
I belong here, sir.
Okay. Well, not anymore. So,
illegally.
Where's your stuff at?
My toolbox is inside.
Okay. Does this gentleman here know where your toolbox is? Okay. Could you go grab it for him? Thank you.
It's a big box.
I'm just saying, I don't know where you're going.
What?
It's something
I have enough illegal evidence that BMW has been doing this to this dealership. It's 90 degrees in this shop. BMW is required to have AC, and it's ridiculous.
Well, that's something that you'd have to take to court and go against BMW. So, otherwise, we're going to get your stuff and we're going to get out of here. They called me because they were claiming that you might have been a little bit unruly or unhappy, and they were a little afraid. So, that's why I'm here. So let's go get your stuff.
I would prefer to sit in the shop office.
Nope. At this point, you're not. If you're not working here, it's time to be going.
I do work here.
No, they let you go, my man.
Leaving the beats. Here, sit down with me, officer.
I'm good, man. My butt's too big for that chair. What are we doing here?
I'm just. I have rights to be here. I have not done anything.
What's
illegal.
your rights to be here?
I have not done anything wrong. I've worked. I've been working on this car. I just took the car out. He's preventing me from.
From what?
This dealership is illegal.
Okay. Well, this is not something we can debate right now. I have no say in any of that. What I am here for is that since you have been let go, they now want you out of here. If you continue to stay here, you're trespassing. So I don't want to go that route.
This is my box.
Okay, well, I don't want to go that route. So if we can do things peacefully, then we can come back and get your box peacefully, all that stuff. But right now, you got to go.
Are you going to arrest me, officer?
If you don't leave, yeah. And I don't want to do that. I got much bigger fish to fry, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a bad person.
I don't think you are.
I guess we all get to sit in this hot shop.
Well, no, I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. And if we're not walking out by then, I'm going to put you in handcuffs. And you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Would
Really?
that be okay? Okay. They don't want you here. You're verbally trespassing. Perfect. So, Justin, what we can do, man? I don't want to be here dealing with this. I don't want to be bothering you. Tire pressure gauge?
No, it's not a tire pressure gauge.
Oh, for the air.
It's a temperature gauge.
Yeah? What are you going to do with this?
Read it.
Okay. Yeah, it's 90 degrees. It's hot.
Yeah,
It's a warehouse job.
This isn't a warehouse job.
Okay. What are we doing here? Because I'm not going to be the judge that actually helps you. You'd have to go to a civil court for that. Okay. Okay. 84B is my backup close. All right, are we leaving or are you going to handcuffs? What are we doing? This is it. Your last warning.
Honestly, I'm not trespassing. I have not done anything wrong, officer.
Okay, are we getting up and walking out or are you going with me?
It's your last chance to witness.
I've been cool with you this whole time. I've been talking to you like a friend, right?
No, absolutely.
Okay, so we're leaving or not?
Is your pride worth going to jail with? That's really all it is.
It's just going to make shit a lot worse, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not trespassing there.
Okay, well, they have verbally trespassed you. I'm going to issue a written trespass form. And I've told you several times, if you do not leave, I'm going to have to arrest you for trespassing. And I don't want to do that. Either way, you're leaving. So whether or not you go home on your own or whether or not you go to jail with me.
I want you to know everyone is safe here, officer.
Great.
Everyone in this dealership is safe.
All right. So you getting arrested or not?
You want to go to jail or you want to go home?
I do not want to go to jail.
All right, let's walk out of here.
They'll give you ample opportunity.
I respect both of you officers.
Yeah, but man, I told you got to be cops. So what are we doing? We need to walk out. You need to get up right now or I'm going to arrest you. I'm done trying to convince you. I've been trying to convince you for 5 minutes. I've given you more than enough grace.
Do you understand
That yes, it is too hot in here. I understand that, but that's not something I can do anything about. I have told you multiple times the route that you need to go.
Me moving the car out your way, you are free to go.
Let's go home, man. I know it sucks, dude. I hate it. I mean, getting fired. I've been fired for it, all right? Not from here, but...
I'm not fired.
Okay. All right.
All right, man.
Stand up.
Okay, no.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
You will go down face first. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. I promise.
Please.
Stop.
Please.
No, please. Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
84 directed. 84B.
Right. What tempo?
Alright, I'll leave.
What did he say?
I'll leave.
You're right. You will leave.
Yeah. All this could have been avoided, Justin.
Yeah. I've been talking this whole time, man. I don't want to do this. Stand up.
Stand up. Come on.
Can I lock my toolbox?
Just a light.
What?
Is that just a light?
Can you bring me home?
Nope.
Nah, man, you're going to jail. You have plenty of time to leave. Nah. That's it, man. He was talking to you long before I even got here.
Fuck.
You told him we were 15?
Yeah.
Thanks. Nothing crazy in your shoes or nothing, right? I'm not going to search them, but if you bring it to the jail, you're going to get in trouble for it. You're not going to bring anything in, right?
Well, am I honestly going to jail?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how many times I had to warn you. I don't want to do this, man. I'd rather be doing something a little more useful, right? Nothing in your shoes, correct?
Do you have anything in your shoes? If you
Besides
bring it
socks and feet?
into the jail, it's going to be a felony. On top of the charge that you already got. So, do you have anything in your shoes?
Well,
Okay, I guess we got to search them. Cool. Go ahead and sit down.
Wait, search what?
Shoes.
Your shoes.
I don't
Sit
have
down.
anything.
You don't have anything. Go ahead and kick them off.
Yep.
All right, go ahead and sit down. Sit down. Keep your seatbelt on, please, in case we get T-boned. I will look at them before we leave, okay? What are you doing? If you're putting your hands in front of you, it's not a charge.
Fuck! Ow! Ow!
What are you doing?
Ow! Officer, please! Can you
What are you doing, my man?
Oh, fuck!
Why are you bringing your handcuffs in front?
Because...
That's another charge. You can't do that. You can't do that. It's against the law.
Alright, I didn't do it.
Step back.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Ow! Take them off!
Hey, Boozy, can you come back out here for a sec? Alright, go down and have a seat.
Take a seat.